Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Sharp machine model, so you use the correct panel sequence. This saves guesswork. Once done, plug the washer in and switch the mains on, and make sure the water inlet valve is open so the machine can complete any initial checks. Next, check the door is securely latched and the drum is empty. You should see the display in standby or showing 0, 0, 0. Now you're ready to enter the clock setting mode. You press and hold the clock or time button for about 3 seconds. This forces the panel into time set mode, so changes won't affect cycles. After the display blinks hours, use the plus and buttons or the selector dial to change the hour. Make sure AM/PM if shown is correct, and then press the clock or time button to lock hours. Next, adjust minutes the same way and confirm by pressing start or set. The clock will stop blinking. You finalize by running a short test cycle or quick spin so you can watch the display advance and confirm the program timer runs normally. This proves the clock setting persisted. If the display reverts or the time is lost after power off, unplug the washer for 30 seconds to reset the control board, then re-enter the time. Make sure any internal backup battery isn't dead. If issues persist, contact Sharp support for diagnostics, because a faulty control module may need repair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.